Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate any video on your favorite language. Okay, so like this video, as you can see here right now, when you play it, it's in English,
And AJ, Ratatouille!
as you can see. So how will you do to make Tysenat speak in French, in Chinese, in Spanish, or Korean? Okay, so this is a new feature from YouTube. It's called auto dubbing. Okay, so we are going to start. I got this video from Mr. Beast channel. Okay, if I play,
Omega! First things up.
as you can see, is in English. So I'm going to translate this video in French. Okay, so I'm gonna press here where it says setting. Okay, this feature is not available right now to all YouTube channels. It's only available to a selected YouTube creator. Okay, so when you come to audio track here, you got 25 languages. This video original is English. It's like when you are watching a Netflix video, you can change it to any language you want. So if I click here, I'm gonna say I want this video maybe in French and play.
Pour Miranda. Oh yeah! On a le célébrissime, le seul, l'unique, taco sauce spaghetti.
Can you see? Okay, it's in French. I'm gonna change it to maybe German. Play.
Spaghetti taco! Ja! Das ist ziemlich kreativ. Wow. AJ, wen haben wir da in der Mitte?
You can see. Can change it to any language. I'm gonna go Portuguese maybe, and then press play.
Speed! I show speed! Quem é o melhor jogador de futebol de todos os tempos? Cristiano Ronaldo!
As you can see, very simple. Okay, so this is how you translate any YouTube video in 2025 using auto dubbing feature from YouTube. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.